Question number 26. Anuj bought a ruler for rupees this Roman letter, a book for this much, and a packet of crayons for this much. On which item did he spend maximum money? We have to find which cost more, which has maximum cost. Ruler, the cost of a ruler is this. This means x and x plus x. 1x is 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus, this is 9. This is 29. And this one is, C is 100. XL is 40. So CXL is 140. And packet of crayons, LXX. LXX means 50 plus 10 plus 10. It is 70. 70 plus 5, 75. This is 29. This one is 140. And this is 25. So which costs more? Which for which item he spent maximum money? It is book. Option number C is correct. Here is an explanation. Ruler, the cost is XXIX. This means x and x is 20. 20 plus 9, 29. Then CXL. C is 100. XL is 40. So 140. LXXV. LXX is 70. 70 plus 5, 75. So the option C is correct. Question number 27. Adil saw 192 buses in a city bus stand. In a bus stand, there are total 192 buses. If 1/4 of total buses leave the bus stand for their destinations, so number of buses left the bus stand for their destinations is 1/4 of total buses. That means 1/4 of 192. Find how many buses are still left in the bus stand. How many buses are still there in the bus stand? So 192 minus 1/4 of total buses. Options 94, 48, 86, 144. Here is the explanation. Total number of buses 192 in the stand. There were 192 buses. And buses left the stand is 1/4 of total buses. That is 1/4 of 92. Of means it is into. It is multiplication. Then 1/4 into 192. Divide 192 by 4. It is 48. So 48 buses left the stand for their destinations. Total 192, 48 buses left. How many are still in the bus stand is 192 minus 48, which is 144. This much buses are there in the stand. Answer D. Question number 28. Sonika left for her friend's house at 1:15 p.m. Sonika left from her house at 1:15 p.m. Her father told her to be back home in 1 hour 45 minutes. After 1 hour 45 minutes, she has to return. She has to come back to her house. So, at what time she will come to home? At what time does Sonika need to be home? She left the house at 1:15 p.m. and allowed time duration is 1 hour 45 minutes only. So at what time she'll be there at home? So it is 1:15. After 1 hour it is 2:15. 2 hours 15 minutes. Then after 45 minutes, what will be? 2 hours and 60 minutes. 60 minutes make 1 hour. That means 3 p.m. Time she left is 1:15 p.m. Duration allowed time is 1 hour 45 minutes. Then time after 1 hour 45 minutes, add these two. It is 1 hour 15 minutes. It is 1 hour 45 minutes. Total 2 hours 60 minutes. 60 minutes means it is 1 hour. 60 minutes is 1 hour. So 2 hours plus 1 hour is 3 hours. That means 3 p.m. Or you do like this way. 1:15 p.m. After 1 hour it is 2:15 p.m. Then after 45 minutes 15 plus 45 60 minutes. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 2 hours plus 1 hour it is 3 p.m. Answer D. Question number 29. When rounded off to the nearest hundreds, Kanak's house number becomes 18,200. Which of the following could be the actual house number of Kanak? Rounding to nearest hundreds. That topic I will do later. Rounding off to nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands, etc. See, we have to start from the options. 4 numbers are given and find out which will become 18,200 when rounded off to nearest hundreds. You begin from the options and round each number to nearest hundreds and check which becomes 18,200. Let us start from the options. First option A is 18,530. Rounding to nearest hundreds means take the hundreds place. Ones, tens, 100. It is 530. 530 lies between 500 and 600. Since it is rounded to nearest hundreds, it lies between 500 and 600 and consider the 10th place digit. If it is less than 5, round to the smaller number. If it is 5 or more than 5, round to the greater number. Here hundreds place is 5, so 500 and 600. The tens place is less than 5, so round to 500. So the option number A is rounded to 18,500. Next, 18,264 in the similar way we can do. 264 lies between 200 and 300 and then tens digit is 6 or consider 64, it is more than 50 or 6 is more than 5, so round to 300. 18,300. But we have to get 18,200. Consider option number C. 18,242. This 242 lies between 200 and 300. The tens place is 4, which is less than 5, so round to 200. See, we got 18,200, which is option number C. Option C. Question number 30. Saksham has 1,200 pencils. He wants to pack them equally in boxes. If he packs 24 pencils in one boxes, then how many boxes are required to pack all the pencils? Total 1,200 pencils are there and he is arranging them equally in some boxes. One box has 24 pencils, so how many boxes are needed? Total number of pencils 1,200. Number of pencils in one box is 24. So total number of boxes needed, there is division. 1,200, we have to divide 1,200 into 20 some groups which contains 24 pencils. So how many groups or how many boxes? For that there is division. 1,200 divided by 24, it is 50. Option D.